Hi guys, Ideogram 2.0 has updated and available to everyone for free. It is said to perform significantly better than Flux Pro and DALL-E 3 and has long been underestimated. In this video, I will guide you how to use the new features. Update 1. Choose styles. Go to Ideogram. The official link is put in the description. As usual, we can type in the prompt here, and below the prompt, we can choose from these 5 distinct styles for the images. This can give us better control over the image style. Take this portrait of a mysterious witch prompt for example. This is the result of the realistic style. You can see that the textures are convincingly resemble photographs. This is the result when applying the anime style. And this is the style of 3D. The quality is really good. What's more, the output image resolution is 1K, so I use HitPaw Photopea to upscale the images to 8K quality, also enhancing the details of the original images to the next level in batch. Check out the official link in the description if you are interested. Update 2. Improved text rendering. The 2.0 enables you to create premium graphic designs including greeting cards, t-shirt designs, posters, illustrations with longer and more accurate text. Take these images for example. The texts are perfectly generated and spelled. This is even more incredible. Update 3. Color palettes. In the settings, there is a new feature called color palettes. We can choose from the options to precisely control over the color scheme. This is useful for brand consistency or for capturing a specific vibe. However, the custom button will need an upgraded account to unlock. Update 4. Ideogram Search. Here is a new search button for us to explore the public images for inspiration, like finding inspirations for prompt, style or something else. But it is also a premium feature. Update 5. Ideogram app. The new app version is also available on the App Store now. That's good news for mobile users. It also released the API for developers and businesses. Here are some information. As for the price, for now free users can only generate 5 images per day. Users will need to upgrade for more credits to use. Alright, these are the new updates of Ideogram 2.0. How do you like it? Leave your thoughts in the comment and I'd be happy to read them. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more latest AI content and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.